here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for this Tuesday. Well, it continues to be dominated by results. So let's begin with telling you all the Nifty 50 numbers that are expected to be declared today. Busy day on the earnings calendar, so there's UltraTech Cement, Bajaj Finance as well as Bajaj Finserv. Just a quick snapshot as to what to expect from them. UltraTech Cement, this time it's a consolidated set of numbers. A sequential recovery is expected post the lockdown, the pent-up volume. Demand is likely to aid the overall volume growth. Realizations could decline and analysts see a volume growth of about 2 to 4% on a year-on-year basis and 30 to 35% sequentially. That's UltraTech Cement. There's Bajaj Finance as well, where we're expecting disbursements to improve sequentially. Margins could be a little bit muted on account of people being cautious on lending. AUM growth has slowed further to about 1.3% YOY. The management has guided for accelerated provisioning as well for COVID, and lending as well has remained a bit cautious. The demand recovery and pick up in disbursements, asset quality trends, outlook on costs, all of this will be very closely eyed. Moving on then to numbers that were declared, you had Hindustan Zinc which put out its numbers yesterday, and the profits came in at 1940 crore rupees versus 2081. Revenue from operations stood at 5,533 crores versus 4461. The EBITDA came in at 2,973 crore rupees with margins at about 52.2%. Citi has a report on the company. They maintain a buy on Hindustan Zinc with a target price of 240, saying that the interim dividend that they declared of 21.3 rupees per share implies a 10% yield, and they have a bullish view on silver and a strong dividend yield, which augurs well for Hindustan Zinc. They expect zinc prices to trade above the marginal cost. So that's Hindustan Zinc. Let's get a move on then and focus in on Motherson Sumi. Keep this stock on your radar today, as Motherson Rolling Stocks through PKC Group Oy has signed the asset sale and purchase agreement with Bombardier. They will be acquiring the activities of the electrical wiring interconnection systems, and this transaction is expected to be completed in Q4 of FY21. Samvardhana Motherson Automotive Systems Group has announced this commencement of a tender offer for 4.8% senior secured notes due in 2021. L&T Infotech revenues came in at 2,998 crores, up 1.7% sequentially. PAT at 456 crores versus 416 crores. The constant currency revenue decreased about 2.3% sequentially, and revenues at about $404 million. HUL brokerage is reacting to its numbers. JP Morgan has an overweight with it saying that Q2 is a beat with improving outlook. They expect revenue growth momentum to gather pace, and they say that management comments have been very positive. CLSA has a buy with a target at 2,600.